Hello.
Hello.
And welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It. I'm BJ.
I'm Corey. Just in case you didn't know.
And we're the Mays.
We're the Mays.
Thus the channel name.
We made it. Well,
And
we're going to make it.
We're going to make 2 of it.
Yeah. See, you guys think we always get... It probably looks like we always get along, but we don't always agree on what we like.
No.
So we're doing his and hers lemon martinis.
His and hers lemon martinis because I like gin.
And I do not.
And she does not. She likes vodka.
No, that's unfair to gin.
It's unfair to gin.
It's not my favorite.
She's learning.
I'm trying. I don't hate it as much as I used to.
It used to be hate, didn't it?
It used to be hate.
Yeah.
Loathe.
Well,
Like
I think
licking
you had,
a pine tree.
I think you had some really bad gin to start.
Yeah, maybe. But
But,
still,
yeah.
it's not like I'll take a drink and be like, this is gin. So
Oh, no.
we're making mine with vodka. So these are actually 2 fairly different lemon martinis.
Fairly
we didn't
different.
want to just give you the same martini, but with 2 different base liquors. So these are a little bit different. They
are.
share some ingredients. But it's still hot as blazes down here.
It is so humid today.
We're going with refreshing
That's right. Citrus.
with the lemon.
Show me how it's done.
All right. You may have to help me remember what goes in it.
I can do that.
But I'm going to go ahead and put my ice in the shaker.
Ice in the shaker. Always start there.
Get the noisy part out of the way. Okay. And I am going to use 2 ounces
Correct.
of vodka, right? It's like a quiz.
It is a quiz, and so far you're 1 for 1.
You know, my memory is like the worst. I'm like a goldfish.
2 ounces of plain old vodka.
Plain old vodka.
In you go.
Okay, and then next I'm going to do lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
1 ounce.
1 ounce of lemon juice.
Like,
She keeps looking at me like,
You're
am
like,
I,
right?
is that right? Did I do it right? Or did it, no?
Okay,
1 ounce.
1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of simple syrup.
1 ounce of simple syrup.
See, okay, so just a quick refresher. Yes, it's not blasphemy. We did use bottled lemon juice.
But it's good.
But it's good, quality, organic. The only ingredient is lemon juice.
That's it.
There's no sugar, no water, no chemicals.
Apart from
Nada.
the sugar and water in the lemon, no
Yep.
added anything weird.
And we make our own simple syrup because it's way cheaper.
And because we're total
and
hipsters.
easier. And I have a million mason jars. So why not? So that was 1 ounce of simple syrup. And then the last ingredient is a ½ an ounce of triple sec.
That's correct.
I remembered all of them.
4 for 4.
No way. Do I get a
Perfection.
cookie?
You get a martini.
That's even better.
It is better.
Yep. Now the triple sec, it just gives it that little, like, sweet tart thing
It
that
does.
it needs.
And it softens the edges of the
Of the
lime
lemon.
a little bit.
The
And
lemon.
the lime.
Lime.
The lemon.
We're not making.
Are you trying not to wake the children? Just shaking. Is it too cold to hold?
It is too cold to hold.
All right.
We have had our glasses chilling. Look at these adorable little
Those are pretty
glasses
great.
we just bought.
got those.
I am going to use just a little bit of the simple syrup.
Just put it on your fingertip and run it
And
around.
I'm going to just go like this so that my superfine sugar, which is already on my plate here, will stick. If you don't have, well, maybe we'll stick.
You got it.
Part
it's
of
a lot
it is.
there. It's a lot on that one spot.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's like I didn't get it on all of it. There it goes.
Oh, beautiful.
Just had to zhuzh it. Oh no, I'm gonna
Zhuzh.
make you.
We keep saying, I know how to spell it now.
Closed captioning doesn't like the word zhuzh. If you don't have superfine sugar, you can just, if you have a food processor, throw some regular sugar in there and just like pulse it a couple times. But you don't want the super chunky.
It's so pretty. Now the question is, can I finish making my drink before you're done drinking your drink?
You want to place a bet on that?
I'm gonna
But
guess
probably not.
no.
I'm not waiting for yours.
I would
Sorry.
imagine not. All right, so that was the lemon drop martini,
And
which
don't
is
worry,
made.
if you didn't write it down,
Oh,
we'll put the recipe for both.
under the video. It'll
at
be
the
there.
end.
So for mine, we're going to use gin and limoncello.
Oh boy.
All right. 1.5 ounces of gin.
Good grief, that's good.
In she goes. 1.5 ounces as well of limoncello. Wonderful stuff. Smells like happiness and sunshine.
Limoncello is super good, super sweet.
It is very sweet.
If you've never had it, it's an after dinner, right?
It is often is it after dinner?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's for like sipping after dinner. It's really
Like
good
a
if
dessert
you gotta
thing.
keep it really cold if you're gonna do it after dinner.
Put it in the freezer.
Mm-hmm.
And 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Same lemon juice as before.
The good stuff.
How many times do you think I'm going to have to turn this around before I find the ounce markers?
I do that like every time we do one.
I don't
of these
understand.
videos.
I don't understand. I turn it like 360
Every time.
degrees in order to find it every single time.
I do it every single time.
All right. And this one's just going to have a splash of simple syrup. Now remember,
Calls for teaspoons,
Yeah,
but like we're not going to
teaspoons.
dirty up a teaspoon.
yours had an entire ounce of simple
Yes,
syrup in
it
it.
did.
Mine needs a lot less sweetness because, like we said, limoncello is fairly sweet to begin
It
with.
is sweet.
So I'm just going to do just a little bloop, maybe 2 bloops.
2 bloops.
A bloop is it's a technical term.
Technical term.
You need not bother yourself with.
Technical form of measurement.
Professional bartending term. I'm going to similarly dump out my ice in my chilled glass here.
Do you need
I
more
am,
ice in your shaker?
yeah, maybe just a little bit. A little more ice in my shaker. And this, I'm not going to sugar the rim.
Nope, doesn't need it.
This one doesn't need it.
I mean, you could.
You absolutely could if you were
fancy,
so inclined.
but we did not when we made them before.
All right. Too cold to hold?
Go, go!
Okay. That hurts my hand. So,
That's how you know it's done.
woo. In we go. Into the fancy glass. Oh,
yeah.
perfection.
Yours is actually darker than mine because of the
It
limoncello.
is the limoncello. A little bit deeper yellow color.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mine's better though.
Yours is better because it doesn't have gin?
Because it doesn't have gin in it.
Just like that. It's a two-fer video for you. This is the first ever two-fer video.
Value.
I mean, does anyone else doing 2 drinks per video? I don't think so.
Probably.
Don't Google it. Pretend it's just us.
Probably. And look, I didn't even drink half of them. Well, maybe half. I take it.
Well, you know the glass gets wider as it goes up, so that's probably like 2/3 of it you drank.
Just, shh, no.
Just, I won't, okay. Forget that part. I didn't say that.
He's wrong. Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Subscribe to our channel. Like
Please
this
do.
video. Send your friends. Make them drinks.
Oh, yeah.
And let us know what you think. Let us know if you tweak anything, how you made it. Because we want to know.
We do.
But this week, we made it.
We made it. Cheers.
Cheers. They don't care.
They care. I care.
They make us drinks.
That's what our audience says. Make us drinks. You know, the camera's high def now, so I'm almost sure. Excuse me. Had a little bit of a "How's your father?" right there. In the, you all right?
It was straight to my head.
Really? Do you need like a waffle or something? The camera is high def now, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to look a lot worse.
You're gonna look sweaty.
That's probably,
You're so
yeah.
like I was sitting here. I wanted to desperately like.
Just like, here, let me fix it.
There
There you have it.
Oh gosh.
Oh, we did it. I just want to lay down here behind the
Lay
bar.
down here, right behind the bar.
You having flashbacks to college, are you?
Oh God.
16 years, we're completing each other's sentences.
Well, it's to be expected at this point.
Yeah. We finish each other's sandwiches. That's what I was going to say. If there's not a movie quote in our video, did we even do the video?
Did we even do the video? No. That was super cheesy.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.